Welcome back to the next session of coding and decoding. Now, today I am going to introduce letter coding type 2. Letter coding. Now, for solving the problems of letter coding, means it is like a puzzle. The letters are given in reverse order or some other way the letters are represented. Then what we have to do, you have to identify in which pattern the given word was written, and according to that you have to decode that. Okay, these type of problems are coming under letter coding. For this, what you need is you have to remember this. Let us see, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This way you have to take, or I'll write in another way. Now look at this. You write the alphabets, write the numbers under each alphabet this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26. Now look at this, sir. What is the advantage of writing in this manner? English alphabets begins with A and ends with Z. This column total is how much, sir? 27. Then this column total is 27. Column total is 27. Column total is 27. So even in the exam also, on the rough sheet, rough paper, you can write this. And it is easy to remember. Column total should be equal to 27. A to M. And starting with N, you move up to Z. This is compulsory, you have to remember. Then we can solve the problems. Let us see, I'll tell you how to identify this. Look at the question number 1. Question number 1. In a certain system of coding, the word statement let me write this in capital letters, sir. The word statement is written as this way: TNEMEDATS. In the same system of coding, what should be the code for? What should be the code for the word political. What should be the code for the word political? Look at this, sir. Statement. How to write the solution? In the given word, that is in the given code, the word statement is written in reverse order. Here T is the last letter, T, N, E, M, E, T, A, T, S. Look at this, the same letters. If I put this statement in front of mirror, the letters will appear in a reverse order. Here also in the same manner. Imagine that statement word you are putting in front of the mirror and you noticed that's name in this manner. Okay. So look at this statement. In this code, the letters of the word statement are written in reverse order, sir. In this code, the letters of the word statement are written in a reverse order. Statement are written in a reverse order. Therefore, in the same code, the word political is written as reverse order, sir. L A C I P I L O P. The word political is written as L A C I P I L O P. Now this is available as an option. This is available as an option. You have to see with which option your decoding process is. That is this code. This is appearing. Okay. Look at this one more time. Statement is given. The word is a statement, and it is also given in the question how it is written. So it is written in a code. Code means what, sir? Only the person who knows how to decode this can read. Otherwise, ordinary persons cannot read this one. What does it mean actually? They cannot understand what does it mean actually. Therefore, first you have to decode this one. So T N E M E T A T S statement is written in this manner. So it is decoded. How you decoded, sir? The letters of the given word are written in reverse order. The letters of the given word are written in reverse order. That is called decoding. Once it is decoded using the same coding and decoding, how can you write the word political? Political can be written in this manner, L-A-C-I-T-I-L-O. Okay, sir. This is the answer to this question. Note. Okay, sir. Look at the next question. Question number 2. If health is written as, if health is written as GSK ZDG, GSK ZDG, then how will north will be written? North will be written. North will be written in that code. Then how will be north? Then how will north will be written in that code? Okay, sir. This is my question. Now, how to solve this one? Let us see, sir. You write the given word this way, HEALTH. Assign the numericals to the English letters according to their position in the English alphabets. Assign the numericals to these letters according to the order they will appear in English alphabets. What is the numerical assigned for H? 8. For E, it is 5. For A, it is 1. For L, it is 12. For T, it is 20. And for H, it is 8. Numericals are assigned. Just to get any clue how to decode this one. Now write the word how it is written. GSK ZDG. GSK ZDG. Now again assign the numericals for this according to their position. G numerical is 7. S 19. K 11. Z 26. Then D 4. And G it is 7. G it is 7. Okay, sir. Now, sir, if I take up this one, it is plus 1 and it is plus 14. This is plus 10. This is plus 14. This is minus 16. This is minus 1. But a direct clue I am not getting here. So let me try in another way. First let us take help. Help. Now see, sir, H and G, it is written as G. H and G, by adding 1 to, by subtracting 1 from numerical assigned to H, you are getting the numerical assigned to G. Look at this, in which way it is written. First letter is G here, whereas first letter is H here. Let me see the relation between these two. When I subtract 1 for the numerical assigned to H, I am getting the numerical assigned to G. Next, what is the next letter, sir? E. What is the number numerical assigned to this? 5. So the same logic is not applicable here. But look at this. What is the numerical assigned to T? What is the numerical assigned to T? 20 is the numerical assigned to T. When I subtract 1 from this, I am getting numerical assigned to S. Again, I am repeating this point, sir. HEALDH is the word given. HEALDH. Now, ordinary way, if I take up this by assigning the numericals for these letters according to their place here, I am not developing any proper decoding. Proper decode I am not getting. So what I am doing, just paying some attention on the question. Now comparing the letters I have. Here it is H, here it is G. What is the numerical assigned to H, sir? 8 is the numerical assigned to H. What is G? 7 is the numerical assigned to G. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now next letter is E here. Here next letter is S. Next letter is S. Numerical assigned to E is equal to 5. Whereas numerical assigned to S is equal to 19. This way, straight away, you don't get any logic here, sir. Because here, just one, by subtracting 1, H and G, what logic we generated, sir? Subtract the numerical assigned, subtract 1 from the numerical assigned to H. You are getting the numerical for G. But the same logic here, it is not applicable. Now, let us see the numerical assigned for T. Numerical assigned for T is equal to 20, sir. Numerical assigned for S is equal to 19. 20 minus 1 is 19. Here, 8 minus 1 is 7. Next, A, 1. It is K. No relation between A and K. But look at the third letter here, L. Third letter L here. What is the numerical assigned for L? 12. Numerical assigned for L is equal to 12. Now what is the numerical assigned for K? 11. What is the numerical assigned for K? It is equal to 11. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11, sir. So proper logic you are getting. So what we have to do here? Step number 1. Write the letters. Write the letters in the word, in the given word, health. Health. In reverse order. In a reverse order. Write the letters in the given word health in reverse order. So when I write in reverse order, HTL, A, E, H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write the numericals for this. 8 is the numerical assigned for H. For T, 20 is the numerical assigned. For L, 12 is the numerical assigned. For A, 1 is the numerical assigned. Okay, E, 5 is the numerical assigned. H, 8 is the numerical assigned. Now what is the word given? How it is written, sir? GSK, ZDG. GSK, ZDG. Now what is the numerical for G? 7 is the number assigned for this. For S, 19 is the number assigned for this. K, 11 is the number assigned for this. 26 is the number assigned for this. D, 4 is the number assigned for this. G, 7 is the number. Now look at this, sir. -1, -1, -1, -1. Here, -1 means I am shifting one place to the left. One place to the left. This way. Look at this. H to G. One place left you moved. T to S. This is T to S. One place right you moved. Then it is 12 to 11. 12 to 11. This way you moved. Right, left you are moving. So moving -1 means how many places you have to move to the left or right. So this is Z, 26. This is minus 1 and this is minus 1. This way, sir, the given word is decoded. This way, the given word is decoded. Now write the north. North. First you write north in reverse order. HTRON. HTRON. When I write north in reverse order. H number is 8. T number is equal to 20. R number is equal to 18. R number is 18. O means 15. N means 14. 8, 20, 18, 15, 14. Now, sir, here it is minus 1. 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 8 minus 1 is 7 here. 20 minus 1 is 19 here. 18 minus 1 is 17 here. 15 minus 1 is 14 here. 14 minus 1 is 13 here. First numbers are written. Now I have list alphabets. 7 represents which alphabet? G. 19 will represent which alphabet? S. 17 will represent which alphabet? Q. 14 will represent which alphabet? N. 13 will represent which alphabet? N. So, north, how it is coded, sir? Answer is G, S, Q, N, M. It is coded as G, S, Q, N, M. G, S, Q, N, M. This way it is coded. Okay, sir? Note down the solution. Okay, sir. Now look at the next question. Next question, sir. This is 20, 21, 22, 20. Let us see the next question. Question number 3 here. In a certain code language, rusticate is written as QID, UI, DB, SD. In a certain code language, rusticate is written as QID, UI, DB, SD. Then how should statistic Then statistic can be written in that code. In that code. Okay, sir. So this is my question. Rusticate is written in this manner means first I have to decode how rusticate is written. It is written in a code. So that code you have to decode. Once you know how this letter is coded, how this word is coded, then you can also write this statistic in the same code. Now let us see, sir. R and Q are adjacent letters. R and Q are adjacent letters. U, I. U, I no relation. S and T, we have direct relation. T and U, I have direct relation. I is same. C and D, direct relation, adjacent. A and B, direct relation, adjacent letters. T and S, direct letters, adjacent relation. E and D. So let me check up the spelling, sir. So this is not I, sir. QT. QT. Now look at this. R and U. R and U are two adjacent letters in the order. If you write alphabets, R and Q are adjacent letters. U and T are adjacent letters. S and T are adjacent letters. And S and T. Then T and U are adjacent letters. Here I is same, no change at all. C and D are adjacent letters. C and D. So let us see the logic how it is written. R U S T I C A D E, rusticate, and it is Q. This is T T U I D. This is B. This is S. Now, sir, write the numericals for this. R. What is the number assigned for this 18? U is equal to 21. S is equal to 19. T is equal to 20. I is equal to 9. C is equal to 3. A1. T is equal to 20. E is equal to 5. Here Q is equal to 17. Q is equal to 17. T is equal to 20. Again T is equal to 20. U is equal to 21. I is 8. D is 4. B is 2. S is 21. D 4. Now look at this, sir. 18 minus 1 is 17. I am operating between the numbers, not between the letters. 18 minus 1 is 17. 21 minus 1 is 20. 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So how you are moving? This is minus 1, minus 1. This is plus 1 and this is plus 1. No change, sir. I is 9, 9. So no change at all, 0. No change at all. C to D increasing, plus 1. A to B increasing, plus 1. D to S increasing, plus 1. D to E to D, minus 1. 5 to 4. So when you assign the numericals for the alphabets, sir, it is easy to decode. And definitely you will get a clue how to decode. Now we know how to decode the given word, how it is coded. That coded word is given, and our work is to decode, and we generated the logic for decoding. So let us see, sir. Statistic I have to decode. I have to write STA, TIS, TIS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what will I do immediately? I will read the respective numericals for these alphabets. S is equal to 90, T is equal to 20, A is equal to 1, T is equal to 20, I is equal to 9, S is equal to 19, 20, I means 9, C means 3. Now sir, what is the pattern of decoding? First 2 minus, next 2 plus, followed by 0. First 2 minus 1, minus 1, next 2 plus 1 plus 1, followed by 0, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus. So this is minus 1, this is minus 1, here it is plus 1, here it is plus 1, this is 0, no change at all, then it is plus 1, then it is plus 1, then it is plus 1, then it is minus 1. Now write the numbers, sir. 19 minus 1 is 18, 20 minus 1 is 19, 1 plus 1 is 2, 20 plus 1 is 21, 9 plus 0 means 9 only, 19 plus 1 is 20, this is 21, then this is. Now you replace the numbers with letters. 18 is R, 19 is S, 2 is B, 21 is U, 9 means no change, I only, 20 means T, 21 means U, 10 means J, 2 means B. So in the same code, how statistics can be written, sir? R, S, B, U, I, T, U, J, B. Okay? Note down the solution. Okay, sir. Let us move to the next question. Next question, sir. This is question number 4. In a certain code, breakthrough is written as EA HRB, EADUHRB or GHT. EADUHRB or GHT. How is the distribution is written in that code? How is the distribution is written in that code? Okay, sir. This is a try yourself problem for you. Try this one and the solution of this, how it is decoded and what will be the code for the given word, and discuss in the next class.